morning, fellow cadets. Good morning, all. We are here in this bridge so that we can discuss about radar and ARPA. Radar means radio detection and ranging, while ARPA means automatic radar plotting. In setting up the radar, you need to activate the radar. As you can see, there is a lot of dotted lines or any. In order to adjust the radar and ARPA, you need to click the interference rejection. Then you need to adjust the C clutter and auto clutter. Also, in setting up the equipments, you need to activate all the necessary applications.
Lapas na buwang.
Tapos na?
Dari ka minutes. 1 minute.
Finish ito na?